So hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening guys. Thank you so much for joining. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I'm the financial expert for the day. I hope you guys are doing good. Everything is working fine on your side, and like always, you guys are fit, fine and ready to learn a new strategy. So a very warm welcome. Thank you so much guys for sparing time. Thank you so much for joining. So we will hardly wait for 1 or 2 minutes and then we will be kicking off the session. You might have already checked the name of the strategy which we are going to talk about. The name of the strategy is going to be Jactar. How you can use this strategy, how to apply it manually, automatically, we are going to talk about this. Of course, then the certain rules which we are supposed to follow while using a strategy, and then some important points like money management and risk management, goal setting, everything we are going to cover during this conversation. Before we move ahead, I just want to give you a quick piece of information that the comment section is already active for you guys. So if you will be finding any doubt, any question, any queries, feel free to write me over there, because this is your time when you can talk to us. You can talk about your, any sort of doubts, difficulties which you are facing with trading, or any doubts regarding the strategy which we are going to talk about. So make sure you use it wisely. And before kicking off the session, guys, just piece of the information I'll be looking from your end. Please confirm me if my audio and my video is clear, because I just want to confirm that everything is streamlined so we can just start the today's session. We will hardly wait for one more minute, not more than that. Respecting your time, I will be taking care of everything. So just give me a quick confirmation. I can see that I have started receiving comments. So Soul BNG, Namaskar. Hello. Santosh ji, very good evening. Guys, please confirm me. Santosh ji, if you are still connected, please confirm me if you are if my audio and video is clear, because I just want to make sure everything is streamlined, even though I have checked on my device, but still I just want to confirm from your end also. Okay, so no confirmation so far. Let me just again cross verify with my perfect. I believe everything is fine. Okay guys, so guys, welcome again. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert for the day from Olymptrade. Yes, all clear. Thank you so much, Santoshji. Thank you so much. Okay, so sir, guys, every now and then Olymptrade is used to conduct some live sessions where we are talking about different technical tools, strategies, market news, because we are also trying to help our traders so that they can make some profit on the platform. So if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe the channel before closing this session, because we are coming live on this session in 8 different languages. So whichever you are comfortable with, make sure you subscribe this channel and join that specific language session, so you will be able to get some information. In case if you are occupied and you are not able to join, so just go to the content part, go to the playlist, choose the suitable language for you, and you will be getting the all the previous sessions recording there, so you will be able to still get some information. Okay, so we'll not be wasting much time. Let's kick off the session. So guys, the screen which is visible to you, this is the application version which I have downloaded in my laptop. So there is a possibility that some of my traders, they might be using a mobile application, so the interface might be different, but one thing I can assure you, that all the technical tools which you need to use this strategy, everything is going to be available in your respective application also. Okay, so let's kick off. So guys, as you might be able to see this tower, so there is a button with the name of technical analysis. Once you click on this one, if you are using a mobile application, the same button is going to be visible somewhere on the top. Your balance is there. Just below that, the name of the asset is visible, and just right to that. Okay, just right to that, there is a button with the name of technical analysis. No need to go to indicator, oscillator, drawing tools. Just directly go to strategies, or you can just type here also Jactar. Or in the meantime, when you will start scrolling, so here we go. It's a expert level strategy. Jactar is the name of the strategy. FTT and FX, which means that can be used for fixed time trading and forex, both the trading modes. Once I'll click on this one, a small piece of introductory video is there, then a written introduction is also there, what indicators we are going to use. So only single one indicator we are going to use, which is SMA, but with 3 different frequencies, so 50, 100 and 200. Once I'll click on enable strategy, so everything is automatically applied on the screen. Guys, if you will be getting any doubt, any question, feel free to write in the comment section. I will be taking care of all the comments, so nothing to worry. Make sure you just keep on bugging me. And in the meantime, guys, if you have used this strategy in the past, just share your experience and of course from where you have joined, because it's very exciting for me whenever I am finding someone like who is joining from a different country or from different places. So I am very excited to know that I am trying to help someone who is sitting that far from me. So this is something very fascinating for me. So guys, please let me know like from where you have joined, and in case if you have used this strategy, what was your experience? Okay, so I can see that yes, all clear. Thank you so much. Santoshi, I hope you are fine, because you mentioned that you are attending from a hospital bed. Okay, I hope everything is fine on your side. Guys, keep on commenting. I will be coming to your comments also. Okay, so let's talk about strategy first. So as I have already mentioned that how you can apply it automatically if you want to apply it manually, because if this strategy is not unlocked for you, guys, do not buy this strategy. No need to spend money on that one. You can apply it manually also. Just go to search bar, type SMA, click on SMA. See, the by default frequency is 20. I need 50, 100 and 200. So I will be applying it one by one. I will just change it to 50. Not cross, not remove, not reset. Only click on the back button. Again, add more tools. Just keep on clicking on the SMA, keep on changing the frequency, and once all 3 frequencies are there, click on 3 dots, save as strategy, next. Your strategy is ready to be used for free. So no need to buy that. Okay, now we will talk about that how this strategy works. So it's very easy to understand, it's very easy to use also, and that is basically more easy for them, those who know how to use price level or price action or like support or resistance, because these 3 SMAs are going to react or act as the support or resistance. Let me clarify how they are going to work. So as we know that support is something like, support is a line like which is below the chart. So whenever the market is hitting, the candles are hitting those specific level, if the level is strong enough, so market will bounce back, like as we can see right here. Okay, and in case if the level will be breached, so that will move for some couple of candles. In the meantime, if I'll talk about the resistance, that is the highest level, or that is the level which is on the upper side of the candle. So if the market is able to hitting that level and not able to breach it, so market will bounce back. If the market will successfully breach that level, so market will move into that specific direction. And that we can see in front of you also. So when you have applied this strategy, it's not like that you will be applying it only each and every asset. Once you will be applying it, that will be visible on all the assets. Now let me explain it a bit in a bit more brief. So guys, in this one, as you can see that there are 3 SMAs, SMA 50, 100 and 200. Okay, so we will try to find the relation between these SMAs along with the candles. So whenever any of the SMA is touching the candles, so if that touch is from the upper side, like as you can see from here, so this will react as a support because the SMA is below, or this will act as a support, or this one. On the other hand, if they are touching the market from the upper side, so they will act as a resistance. So all you just need to find some conditions, you just need to find some situations, some positions where you will find that these candles are very near to any of the SMA. Now some of the traders, they might be having doubt in the mind, sir guys, like if we can use any SMA, then why we are using 3 different SMAs? The reason behind is the higher the frequency, the more stronger that level can be. So 50 is going to be a normal trend, normal level. 100 is going to be a moderate, and 200 is going to be a strong. So that's how it works. So I mean to say, if you find that the market is moving into upward direction, or like market breached this level of 200, this candle, the very next candle breached this level, and the very next candle was on the upper side of this, so that level will be a bit more stronger as compared to the 50 or 100. So that's how it works. Okay, and I'll one more suggestion, like whenever you are finding some situation when these three SMAs are very near, I'll just suggest that take some time, try to get this market a bit hold, because sometime you will find that if the market is breaching one level but getting stuck in the another one, so that can create a consolidated market which can lead to some negative results also. So just wait for some time. Once the candles are breaching all the levels, then you can get into the market. Do not trade in the consolidation market. Now I will try to make some trades also, nothing to worry. If any doubts are there, nothing to worry. I will be talking about that also. I will be explaining that also. If any confusions are there, you can mention in the comment section also. And in the meantime, when we will be starting some live trading, of course your doubts will be clear, I'm sure. But before coming to that, a few important information. The first and the foremost, guys, this is a financial market. There is a possibility of partial and fully amount loss. So considering that thing, make sure you spend enough time to learn and enhance your technical skills. Earning is there, but only after learning. So make sure you invest some time also before starting investing and starting trading on live account. Second thing, all the trades which I am going to take during this session, everything is going to be my responsibility. I am the one who will be taking care of everything. Everything is depending on my trading skills, my practice which I have done. Third thing, it's just a mathematical calculation based technical tool. There are no such strategies which will be assuring or promising there is going to be 100% accuracy. So considering that thing, do not invest your total capital or a huge capital in a single trade, because negative like market volatility can be there any moment, so negative trades will be there. So there are no such strategies which will be assuring that you are going to get 100% accuracy. But if you have a good money management, risk management, if you can achieve a 50, 55, 60% success rate, you will be able to make a handsome profit. Okay, and the last and the most important, even though this session is live, guys, but there is a telecast gap which lies somewhere around 30 seconds to 1 minute. So there is a possibility that the trade which I am going to open right away in front of you, that will be visible to you after 25 seconds, 30 seconds or 1 minute. So there is a possibility that if you will try to follow or if you will try to do copy trading, that can lead to some negative results. So I'll suggest my hardly recommendation that please avoid copy trading. Just work on the enhancement of your skills, learn the strategy, because this session is live for next 40-45 minutes, but you have to trade after that also. And it's about to US market is about to open, so we might also face some negative results. I might face some negative results also. So please avoid copy trading and just work on your strategy. Okay, so guys, let's kick off the action mode. Let's start some trading. Let's start some live trading. I will just keep on switching the assets. Once I'll be getting any signal, I will be taking trade. So guys, as you can see that there is a level, like this level is acting as a support level. If the market will bounce back from here, I will take a trade in the upward direction. Otherwise I will. Okay, so market was not able to breach it. Let's see. I have for this strategy, guys, the suggested time frame is 2 to 3 candle. If you, your chart time frame is less than 5 minutes, so I have my chart time frame is 1 minute. So I have taken a trade for 2 candles. There was a very nice signal. So if I'll try to explain this signal, so see, market was moving out from the upward direction to downward direction. On this candle, market tried to breach this level of SMA 50, was not successful. Next candle, again market bounced back, still touching this level. So there was a hope that market might be able to breach. Again unsuccessful. On this candle, again unsuccessful. Again the same scenario, and now the market is trying to breach this level again. If the market will be able to, then good to go, then we will be able to take a trade in the upward direction. Otherwise we can take a trade in the downward direction. Otherwise we can take a trade into the upward direction also. Okay, or if I try to observe last couple of candles, so there is a consolidation also going on, because there is a flat market, like a couple of red, green, red, green, red, green. So I'll try to avoid it. In the meantime, if I will be getting any signal on Astro Index in the downward direction, then I'll try to use that one. I will keep on shuffling my cards, keep on shuffling my assets, just to explore a perfect signal. I have taken one trade so far. Okay, that trade was negative. Let's see what can be done. Okay, so we have opened a trade on this direction. Okay, so market got stuck again in the same, and market bounced back. No worries. See guys, there was a very beautiful signal. So first confirmation was with the help of this candle, and the second confirmation was there with the help of this candle, but we have missed it. But nothing to worry. Even though in the meantime, if we will be applying a normal price action, normal support resistance, so at this level on this candle, this level was breached also. So as we know that if market is breaching any support or resistance level, so majority of time the market is trying to move in the same direction, and we can find the same. Okay, so nothing to worry. Let's try to switch some assets. Okay, so I am expecting a signal. If this candle will breach this level, then I am expecting a trade in the downward direction. Otherwise I will be taking a trade in the upward direction. Okay, so composites, let's try. Okay, so 25 seconds to go. Market has almost breached this level. Next candle is trying to move in the downward direction. Almost 16 seconds to go. Okay, so on Astro I am expecting a signal, and I might take a trade in the upward direction of, okay, so one trade in upward for this, and second trade in downward on Astro. So guys, as we can see that this level is breached, so I have taken a trade in the downward direction. Let's see if the trade will go positive. Otherwise we will try to use our money management, risk management to recover the funds whatever we are losing. Okay, nothing to worry. Let me take a couple of comments also, because I can see that so many comments are there. So webinar, okay, hello, Asia is the best in Olymptrade. Top Master Ji, I'm glad to know. Hello also. Rio Toons, hello sir. Very good evening. M Azim Ji. How to do trading? Rio Toons, please confirm, like if you have any past experience or not, or like if you don't have, nothing to worry. Just explore our YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe it, be part of the family, because every now and then we are coming live on this channel. So we are talking about different technical strategies, market news, market updates, and also you can explore this help button. Go to the help center, education. You will be getting a lot of information. Okay. So I am from India, but I am working in Dubai. Israfi Ismail Ji, great sir. I'm happy to see that you are exploring, new boundaries. So glad to know, and I am happy to see that I am sitting in one corner and you are in another. But still, I am trying my best to help you. Soul BNG is from Jammu, very beautiful place, I must say. How can I improve my trading strategy? Azim Ji, all you just need to invest some time also. It's not trading is, guys, understand one thing. Trading is not about investing money at all. It's also about investing some time to explore that what things can be done, where you can work and how you can improve them. Okay, so this one trade is seems to be going in positive, but another one seems to be going to the negative side. Okay, so let me take a trade in the, okay, I want to take a trade in downward direction again, because the market closed below that. Okay, so we took two trades, one positive, one negative. For this one, let's see what can be done. Okay, so for this trade I will be taking a trade for 2 minutes, but for the next one I will be switching to a 3 minute 3 candle time window. And in the meantime, for this trade I have also applied one RFT, risk free trade. If you know or don't know what is risk free trade, so if the trade will go positive, of course I am going to enjoy the profit, but in case if the trade will go negative, I will receive the refund back. So that is the beauty of the RFT. If any one of you is having RFT but is not using, so on this button it's like a shield, just click on that one, you will be able to see the available risk free trade in your account. Okay, and in the meantime I'll share 2 more conditions for RFTs also. There is no expiry, so you can use it whenever you wish to. And the second thing, you can't split the RFT. I mean to say that if you think that you have a $10 risk free trade and you want to open 10 different trades with each $1 and you want to apply it on all the trades, so that will not be applicable, that will not be feasible. You will be able to open one trade only, and the rest of the amount of the RFT, that will be wasted. So I'll suggest better to open a trade with the complete amount. Okay, so till the time our next trade is in the process, let's take the a couple of more comments. Azim ji, that is completely fine if you are new. Every professional was a new or a fresher at one time. It's all about investing time and learning the skills. Okay, and whatever guys, whatever you are learning from any source, I'm not saying only from the Olymptrade YouTube channel, from anywhere. Even though if you are exploring some custom strategies also, make sure you practice it on a demo first. Once you will be able to get a hold on that one, only then I'll suggest to take it on to the live account. And now guys, see, if I'll try to observe this market, so initially the market breached this level, then got stuck with this one, so market is keep on moving in this one. But once this market will breach this level, then I will be opening a trade in the upward direction. Let's see how was our last trade. Okay, so the trade was negative, but the deduction was 0. Why? Because we have used a RFT. Let me see what can be done. Okay, so there is again situation to open a trade in the upward direction. Let me reduce the amount. So this level is breached, even though guys it's about to 7 p.m. So US market is about to get open, so we can expect some sudden volatility, sudden fluctuation. So there is a possibility that the strategy will not work, will not be giving you much accuracy, but nothing to worry, we will keep on. Okay, so see, as if I'll try to observe a couple of candles, so the market is stuck within this level. So let's avoid Astro Composite for a couple of minutes, for a couple of trades, and then we will try to switch to another assets. Okay, or what I can do, I can open a couple of more assets also, just to explore and just to see if we can find some nice results. Okay, so I have opened some more indexes, some currency pairs, and everything is streamlined. So now we have more cards to play with, so nothing to worry. Okay, so market is trying to breach this level but not able to. I want to open a trade, but I just need to wait for the confirmation. Once the confirmation is there, like once the signal is there, only then and there I will be opening up a trade. Okay, so the body of this candle is not that strong enough, but let's take a chance. Let's take a trade in the downward direction. Okay, so this time I have just changed the time duration. I have changed the time duration of my trade, so I have switched to 3 candle trade. So market trying to breach this level, not able to. Let's take a trade in the upward direction. Guys, I am opening back-to-back positions. The reason behind it, I just want to try to use maximum number of signals, but there are no such conditions, no such foundations with you. Okay, so that is the reason, like what I want to say, what I am trying to say, that whenever you are opening a position, open that specific position and wait for the result. Once the result is there, after that I'll suggest to open the next position. Because if the trade is positive, you are supposed to, in case if you want to, you can increase the amount while using your money management. If the trade is negative, then you can decrease the amount by using your risk management. Okay. Okay, so Rohit Pandey, hello, someone send me some money. If anyone is CrowdRexy, I hope if you might find someone who will send you some money. But I'll suggest work on your technicals, work on your fundamentals, and I'm sure that one day you will be one of those rich person, those who will be, sharing money. Okay, Salim Khana ji, take a trade. Yes, Salim ji, I am trying to take couple of trades because live action is almost start, so I am just trying to explore different signals also. Even though it's almost 7, so US market is open, I am expecting some sudden volatility, sudden fluctuation. It's not about that in US market you will not be able to make profits. I have seen so many traders or people are making money also during this duration, but the reason behind is like when the market is about to open, so hardly 15 to 20 minutes before that, and once the market is open, hardly 15 to 20 minutes after that, I'll suggest take a quick break, just try to explore if the market is following the same direction, okay, so I have made one mistake. The reason is, as I have already mentioned, that if two lines are very near and one level is breached, so wait for this second breach also. But I just observed this candle and I took the trade in the downward direction, and this level acted as the support now. So market is moving in the upward direction. No worries. If this trade will go negative, of course we will open another position. So our two trades are going ongoing, trades are there. Okay, so three trades are ongoing. Okay, one. Okay, no worries. So let's, okay, so this signal is almost there. Let's take a trade for $50 in the upward direction because this level is breached. Okay, guys, this is the best time to use your RFTs. Like either take a break, because whenever there is huge volatility, you are not able to find suitable signals, or use your RFTs. Okay, Smart Finding Ji, hello. Mr. Bruce, hello. How to trade in a live market using this strategy proved in live? Salim Ji, I am trying to use the same strategy in short time trade, time frame 5 seconds or 3 minutes, or profitable. Love is Life Ji, I just want to tell you that if you are new to the trading, I'll suggest trade with some longer time duration, avoid 5-second trading. But in case if you wish to, we have couple of tools available, like you can explore these which one, smart RSIs. So these are basically for this short time duration, because if you are not able to apply anything, so rather than having nothing while using these strategies, while making some trades, so you can try them, smart RSIs. But again, whatever you are going to use, make sure you practice it on your demo. How to trade? Okay, Devdas, hello. Santoshi, I have a call requested by chat support. Please, sir, call back. I am waiting. No worries, Santoshi. I will try to reach back, or just do me a favor, just drop, or if you have already sent the request, so I will be taking care of that one. No worries. Karima, hello. Jarin, hello. Pushpa Ghosh, sir, Arun is a very accurate indicator. Any strategy with Arun? Yes, sir, there is one strategy where you are using Arun up and Arun down. So peacock strategy is there. That is something you can use also. We will try to talk about that also in coming session, but for today I will be only covering this Jack Tar. I'm so sorry for that, but yes, you can use it. And in the meantime, if you want to know how to use Jack Tar, you can explore either the peacock strategy, or you can check all the recordings. So guys, a new signal is there. This level is breached. This again, even the SMA 50 is also intersected. So I'm expecting that market will move into the downward direction. Okay, so I think today is not a very good day. Again, I have taken 3 trades. 1 trade was positive, 2 are negative. Let's try to analyze that what can be done. Okay, so as we can see that the mistake which we have done. So this one was the support level. It acted as a support level and market moved into the upward direction. Okay, so I can find the mistake which I have made. Let's try to analyze the second one. Okay, so in this one also market breached this level, and after that market moved into the downward. Okay, no worries. Okay, so we have taken 1 trade for $50, and so far we have recovered a majority chunk which we have lost so far, but still there is a lot more to recover, nothing to worry. Okay, Uzair Hassan, hello. So guys, if you still have any doubt, any question about that, how this strategy apply manually, automatically, just let me know in the comment section. I have covered almost all the comments so far, so I will move back to the trading. And in the meantime, guys, if you will be finding any signals while using this strategy, just drop me in the comment section. I will be taking trade on live account on your behalf. Of course, I'm not going to share my profit, but at least you will be getting some information that how this strategy works. Okay, so I believe Uzair ji is facing some negative results because his emoji is stating that. So Uzair, just let me know which strategy you are using and what is your experience on the platform. Okay, so again, I'm assuming that market is stuck in this level again, and let's take a trade in the upward. I took so much time to make a decision for this signal, but I am hoping that it will lead to some positive results. Okay, so this trade is about to get close. We are very near, almost 32 seconds to go. Okay, so let's see if the trade will go positive or we will again get stuck. Market will get stuck in this. Okay, so almost 17 seconds to go. 16, 15, 13. Okay, we are very near. Okay, so 9, 8, 7, 6. Okay, so zero profit. Okay, so at least there was a no loss. So it was a no profit, no loss trade, even though after that the market moved to the same direction, but at least there was a no profit, no loss. Okay, so this trade seems to be going into the positive direction. Let's see how it goes. Sir, you are providing strategy. Yes, sir. Uzair ji, we are trying to give some technical tools which are available on the platform, so we are guiding that how you can use them. So this is the one of the strategy which we are using today. The name of the strategy is Jactar. Just click on this technical analysis button, go to the search, just type Jactar. If this strategy is unlocked for you, good to go, good to know, and you can use it. But in case if the strategy is still locked for you, do not need to buy the strategy, do not spend money on that one. It's very easy to apply. Just go to the technical and just go to the search, type SMA, change the frequency. By default you will be getting 20, so we need 50, 100 and 200. Okay, just apply them one by one and then just save the strategy, so you will be able to use it for free. And this is something, guys, I am used to tell everyone that always use it. Always apply the strategies manually rather than buying them. Okay, so let me just check a few. Okay, so there is one more. Illuso, is it better to use USD? Illuso ji, that is completely fine. Whatever the currency, like your local currency, you can use that one, or you can use USD also. Why I am using USD? Because sometimes it is very easy to calculate, or in the meantime it is very I feel more comfortable while trading with USD. The reason behind, like if I am trading with some another currency like PKR or INR or dirham, so 1 USD is equal to 4 dirham. So if I need to take a trade of $100, so that will be 400 dirhams. So it will give an impression that I am taking a very huge amount trades also, and if that trade will go negative, so I will be having more pressure on my mindset. So that is the reason. That trade was about to go positive, but at the last second we just lose that trade. So guys, see, if you can observe also, we just lost it with a very small piece of small friction of time. And on this trade I was already worried about, because I have taken this trade a bit late. The signal was almost visible almost here also, but I took the trade on this level. So as you can see that while using any technical tool or strategy, even a small piece of time, that can make a difference. So make sure you make a quick decision, use it or drop it. Do not trade on dicey. Okay, so let's try to track it down. Okay, so we will again try to look out for some more signals. Okay, so the level was breached on this candle, and again market move into the downward. Okay, so again same scenario. In this one, if I'll try to observe, so the market is stuck in this support level. So this is the support level which we can use as, and this is the resistance level. Okay, so Hasneen ji, hello, very good evening. Okay, so no signals so far on this one. Okay, I'm quite late, but I want to open a trade for this one. Again, a $50 trade with the RFT in the upward direction, because this candle is already breached the level. Let me see if there is no such support or resistance level so far. Okay, so nothing is there. Let's see. I'm assuming that the market will move into the upward direction this time. Let's see. We have taken another trade for $50, but I am taking some help for from RFTs. The reason behind is sudden volatility is there, so just to avoid negative results, just to avoid some wiping out my capital, I am just using my RFTs. So this is something which I have been saving from a very long time on. And guys, one more thing I just want to ask you. So there was an event going on. Have you participated in that one? That was visible in the event section. It was a very nice event, and in last week it happened. So if any one of you has participated in that one, just let me know. And in the meantime, if anybody wants something, because in that one we have provided $5,000 risk-free trade to the winner. So many traders have won so many risk-free trades. So guys, if any one of the viewer has participated in that one, just let me know how was the experience, how it went. Sir, you are provided signal, a lot of trading boost message from Olymptrade. Okay, so Pushpak ji is asking for the coming update. Pushpak ji, there is something which is very excited going on the platform, because I was also getting some pop-ups. So just wait for some time. Even I am excited to know more about that one, but we just got that information that will be visible sooner or later, like shortly. So just stay connected, just be with the platform. That will be visible any moment. Even I am also excited for that one, because we just only got a small piece of information that is something which will be very useful or which will be very lucrative. So make sure you just explore that one. Okay, all about space. Hello sir, Pushpak received a lot of trading boost message from Olymptrade. Yes, Pushpak ji, I have also received some a lot of. So every now and then we are just trying to update, make some updates, just to make this platform a bit more user friendly, just to make it a bit more profitable, so you will be able to use it more wisely, more easily. So something is going on, and it's a very nice surprise, because we have been informed that is going to be something very nice. So make sure you just explore that one. That will be visible shortly. Okay sir, you provide signal. Uzair ji, I am not going to provide signal. I am just going to help you with the different strategies, how you can use them, so you will be able to make some profits on the platform. Brother, tell me how much time our deposit money comes to our account. Sheikh Ali, it is also depending on the payment method you are using. So different payment methods are having different time zone. But just for an example, if any specific payment method is taking 24 hours. Okay, if even a single minute is more than 24 hours is passed, just get in touch with the support team, let them know that your deposit is not reflected, and then they will dive into it. Okay, so last trade was positive, very nice. So again $42 again in the bucket. So I believe so far whatever we have lost, we have recovered everything. So we will again now trade with a calm mind, nothing to worry, nothing at all, everything is streamlined. Okay, so let's try to explore the signals again. Okay, so one signal is there, but again the same situation. One SMA is intersected, but another SMA is very nearby, and this is a 200 SMA. So as I have already mentioned, 50 is going to be a fine level, 100 is going to be a moderate, 200 can be a tough level to be breached. So I will not be taking a trade till the time either this will be breached or the market will touch this level and bounce back. I don't want to take any chances. Okay. So yes, Pushpak ji. Okay, so you participated. So how was the experience? Like, did you want something? Yes. Whosoever won that, whosoever was the first winner of that event, he got 5,000 USD risk-free trade. Uzair ji, I'm sorry, we are not providing any personal signals. I'm so sorry. Anyway, will you please help me, Sheikh? Sheikh, just tell me. Okay, so you deposited 2800 PKR. Okay, and what is the difficulty you are facing with? I did take part, but ranking was difficult to identify your status. Pushpak, if we will start taking participate in that one, so that will not be something which we consider that feasible or something like justified. So that is the reason that I didn't participate in that one, because my job is to either trade and just to help my traders with the trading, so that will also increase my turnover. So that is the reason that I didn't participate, but it was clearly visible. So in the event section, everything was visible on the top. So whatever was your rank, so that will be visible to you. But sooner or later, if we will come back again, so that will be visible, guys. I'm telling everyone. So sometime we are creating, or we are organizing some tournaments, some events, so that is visible in this event tab. You can participate in that one, and there are no such participation charges or something like that one. All you just need to join that, and then you should start taking trades. All your trades will be considered, or will be calculated in that turnover part, or in that domain. And then if you will be able to achieve something, then of course you are going to get some RFDs, or whatever the price is there, or the boost cube, whatever is there. So guys, market touched this level, the candle touched this level, and the trying to bounce back. So that is the reason that I have opened another trade for $15 in for 3-minute time duration in the upward direction. Let's move to the another. No signal so far. Okay, so if the market will breach this, market downward, otherwise upward. So rather than, okay, so again two levels are very near, so I should wait either, or we should switch the asset. Okay, so again all three levels are very near. I am assuming that market might move into the upward direction, because 200 level is breached, but no, that was acting as a support. Okay, so market was trying to breach, but it was not. Okay, so this one, let's take a trade in the upward direction again. Even though I am late by 15 seconds, we were supposed to take a trade at the beginning of the candle, but let's see, guys. I am trying to take use these different signals, but for you there are no such foundations. I'll suggest you do not take a trade on a incomplete signal, or a signal which is already there and that is quite old, because there is a possibility, as we have already seen in a previous couple of trades, that I just took a trade like which was late by max to max 5 seconds, but that trade was negative. And if we have taken that 5 seconds ago, of course that trade was supposed to go positive. Okay, so let's see. I'm assuming market will go downward from there, because this level is breached. Okay, so let me take some more comments. Okay, so Pushpa, I did plus it's risk over trading. These competitions was risky that way. USD deposit and withdrawal is super fast. Okay, bro, and this is my first deposit. I am very confused. If the amount doesn't come to my account, what should I say to the support guidelines? Sheikh Ali, nothing to worry about that one. Everything is streamlined. If you haven't received your amount, just drop an email to support-hi@olymptrade.com, which is -support-hi@olymptrade.com. Just share the screenshot with them and just tell them that this payment I haven't received so far. They will be helping you with everything. Support dash or support -sign or -hi. Okay, HS Hamilton, IS India. So just drop an email to support-hi@olymptrade.com, or let me make it more easy. Just go to the help section, go to the support section. You will be getting either chat, if you are getting a chat option, or tap to see the number. You can call them also, or just directly drop them an email. They will be helping you with that one. Nothing to worry at all, buddy. Your money is safe. That is our responsibility. If you will not be getting the money, we will be fetching that one, that where it is stuck, and then once we will be fetching, we will fetch it. You will be getting it. About your, tell me your clearly about your strategy, Shrikantji. I'm sorry if you have joined now, because we do not have much time to talk about it again. So I request you, please just scroll it back and just explore it from start the session from the beginning. Okay. Pushpak, yes, of course, like sometime to make that much, turnover, that is quite risky. You have to do some over trading, but I'll suggest, rather than running for that turnover, you should also focus on your results also, because if you will be able to make handsome results, so of course you are going to make some profits also, and in the meantime you will be moving towards your goal as well, which will help you to lead in the competition or in the contest or event. So that's how you will be having a win-win situation. Okay, so next Friday, if all verified documents are in order. I used demo account and I trade on 5 seconds. Okay, how can I contact with them? Saying, hey bro, if your money had not credited on your account, then lose your deposit. Salim Khanaji, there is nothing like that. He will be getting his deposit for sure. All he just need to connect with the support team. Just let them know that this specific amount is stuck. Let me just give you a quick example that how it works. So just imagine that if you are making a deposit from a UPI, so first deduction will be from your UPI wallet. The second deduction will be from your bank account. Then the payment will go to the payment gateway, and then it will move to our bank account. Then we will reflect it in your trading account. But in case, because of any XYZ reason, if the payment gateway, if the amount is stuck in the payment gateway, so we need to fetch the amount, we need to track it from there, and then we need to claim it from there, because till the time we will not be receiving the amount in our bank account, we will not be able to reflect it. So all we just we will be asking you for some screenshot, and that is not going to be something random or something very personal. All you just need to give this transaction screenshot to the support team. Just share it with them. In that one, receiver details, sender details, time, money, date, and transaction number or transaction ID or UTR ID, whatever it is, it should be visible. That's it. Once you will be sharing it with that one, with the support team, they will be forwarding it to the finance department. They will look into it, and then they will be helping you with that. Okay, so we took 3 trades. 2 trades were positive. Let's find out the negative one first. Okay, so in this one, the trade was negative with very short, very small difference. If I'll try to observe the codes, so 3295 310. So okay, so market was quite near, but still the trade was negative. Okay, so 2 trades were positive. Nothing to worry. So far, whatever we are doing, everything is streamlined. We are in profit. Okay, so let's see, let's move to the another assets. Okay, so very nice signal, guys. See, this SMA, this candle breached this level, SMA 200, and then a very nice rally is visible. Market move into the upward direction. After that, market tried to initially it acted as the resistance level. After some time, when the market tried to bounce back, it acted as a support level, and again market bounced back from the same level. So if you try to observe, the market was easily breaching this 100 SMA or 50 SMA easily, but breaching 200 SMA, sometime it is very tough. But again, it is not highly recommended that you will be falling for this one, and whenever you will be getting some signals with SMA 200, you will be investing everything. No, guys, do not follow such practices, because there is no such surety that it will happen, because these are some mathematical calculations based technical tools, those who are calculating previous candles and then just trying to give you some data, some information that can be happening in the market. But that will happen and that can happen. There is a huge difference. Okay. Okay, so okay, how many dogs they want from me? Sheikh Ali, they are not going to ask a lot. All you just need, just get in touch with them. They will help you with that. Okay, just get in touch with them. Once the specific time frame is done, is over, just let them know. Okay, okay. What is the safer time frame to trade? Srikanji, for safer time frame, there is nothing like that which is safer or where you will be getting highest accuracy. But the longer the time duration, the lesser the risk will be there. Like if you compare 5-second trade with 2 minutes, so 2 minute might be a bit more better. But again, that is also depending on your skill set, and that is also depending on your practice. So it's not like that Kunal said that 2 minute is going to be very fancy and you are going to make profit and you will start taking trades with 2 minutes. First, take one strategy, practice it on your demo, work on different time frames, like two candles, 3 candles on 5 minute chart time frame. Again, you can work on, and once you will be able to finalize that which time window is suitable and then how it is working, then you will be able to make profits. Okay, so okay, so very phased. Salim ji, I am sad to know, but I also request you, please connect with the support team. They will be helping you with your concern. I made 3,90,000 INR from 8,000 in using a rodeo mainly. Pushpak ji, very nice. I loved it. Very happy to know, very happy to see that you made a huge profit from the platform, and I'm sure that you withdraw that amount also. You didn't wipe out it with the over trading. Please tell me that you use it wisely. Okay, okay. So my success was at 64. Is that okay, Pushpak ji? That is completely fine. 64% success rate and 3,90,000 profit. You tell me, is it okay? Of course it is okay. It is fine. Okay, can you recommend me one of the best strategy for 2 to 5 minute trade? CrowdRex, there are so many strategies. I just request you, it's not like that there is no such strategy which will be good or which will be bad. What I am just suggesting, there is a possibility that the strategy which I am using, that might not work for you, and that strategy which you will be using, that might not work for me, because it's like a battle zone. A person who is using arrow and the person is using a gun, so that is completely depending on their skill set also, that how they are using it. I know I am giving a very violent example, I'm so sorry for that, but I'm just trying to tell you that it is also depending on your skill set, that how you are using that specific tool. So that is the reason that we are teaching different strategies, different type of technical tools, so you can explore all of them and then come to a conclusion that which 2, 3, 4 tools are suitable for you, and then you can use them. Okay, CrowdRex, Rodeo and Trio are good, but again, CrowdRex, no direct recommendation. That is completely depending on your technical skill set also. It was so long, Sheikh Ali. I request you, just drop an email to support team. They will be guiding you. How to identify the upper resistance with Bollinger Band? Sir, that is very easy. So you will be getting 3 because we are not having much time. Just in the next session, whenever we will be connecting, just let me know. But whenever you will be applying the Bollinger Band, so you will be getting upper bar or the lower bar. So that is going to be, the upper one is going to be act as a resistance and the lower one is going to be act as a support. It's very easy to use. I will just if you will be connecting with me, Pushpak ji, in the next session, or in the meantime, if you will be connecting with your personal analyst also, you can check with him. He will be guiding you with that. Is there rodeo in strategies section of Olymptrade? CrowdRex, it is available. Just go to the technicals, go to the rodeo, or if you want to explore that strategy, that how you can apply it manually, you can just explore the content part playlist. In that you can search for rodeo. It is there. We have talked about that strategy multiple times in the past. I did 45 seconds and 1 minute or 15-second chart. Okay, great. So I can see that the, Pushpak and Crowd is talking to each other. So if anybody is here to talk to me, so of course they can drop their comment also. So we are almost about to finish the session. Let me see. Okay, so today the trading was, all in all, that was quite okay, because initially we faced some negative results because the US market was about to open, and even though that is a time frame when I am also avoiding taking some trades, because majority of time I am already done with my what we call the daily goal prior to that. But in case whenever there is some session, so I have to take couple of trades, so that is the reason that I am just making some additional bucks so that I can use during these. But in guys, I'll also suggest you, whenever the market is moving from one market to another, like from Asian to European or European to US, I'll suggest like you can take a quick 10-15 minutes break. Just try to explore that whether the market is following the same direction or same what we call set of rule or the signals, because sometime you do not need to change the technical, all you just need to make some amendments with the time frame of the strategy. So initially if we were taking trade with the 2 minute, I just made a change, I just switched to the 3 minute. Okay, that's Mr. Akash Malhotra. Your name, sir? Sir, my name is Kunal Kapoor. So Akash is also taking session. He's conducting sessions on Monday, and his session is for 30 minutes, because he is talking about market news and market updates. So every Monday, Wednesday, Friday we are coming live in English. If you are comfortable with Hindi, so Tuesday and Thursday we are also connecting. Sir, that is completely genuine. You can trade. It is halal, nothing to worry. If you Sheikh Ali, if you have more doubts, just connect with the support team when you will be talking about your deposit. Also, just ask them the same question. So they will be giving you the complete set of information. So you all your doubts will be clear. Nothing to worry. Okay. Okay. So I am just trying to take at least one more trade if I'll be getting any signal, but currently the candles are way far from the SMA. So let me try to have another round. Let me try to have one quick review. Okay, so market move upward. It's quite old. I don't want to take any risk while winding up the session. Again, old signal. No, not good to go. Okay. So guys, before winding up the conversation, I just want to tell you one more thing, that there is a service which we guys are providing. So like me, we have we have a team of analysts. So we are also providing personal consultations. So these consultations are basically for now available only for the expert level holders, or if you are advanced level holder, you can avail one consultation in a month. So let me explain that. So we will be conducting Zoom sessions. Each session is going to be one-to-one, where you and your analyst will be there. They will be talking to you about different technical tools, strategies, market news, market updates. So make sure you participate in that one. If you have reached to the expert level, so of course we will be trying to reach out to you, or if you were on the expert level but you were not able to take the call, or you just found that there is an international number calling you, so you either that move to the spam part, or you were not able to take that call. So the best which I can suggest is, firstly, make sure that your contact number should be updated in your, go to settings, go to the contacts, make sure your contact number should be updated. In case everything is updated but you were not able to get a call, or you missed the call, just drop a request to support team by stating that you need some guidance in trading. Please raise a callback request, share your contact number with them. Please avoid sharing personal details in the comment section. Just share with the support team. Okay, so once you will be mentioning that you need guidance in trading, so that request will come to my department, either me or someone from my department. We will come into the picture and we will get back to you, and we will line up your sessions with you. And the best part of these sessions, guys, whether you are going to take one session or 1000 session, all the sessions are going to be free of cost. So do not need to pay anything ever to anyone. And if somebody is asking for any payment or any commission, make sure that call is not from Olymptrade, because Olymptrade is not giving any such paid services. Okay, so how can I convert PKR to USD? Sir, all you just can make an internal transfer. Go to the payments, go to the transfer, select the payment account from which you want to send and to which account you want to transfer. But one thing I just want to tell you, that there is going to be a conversion charges, like conversion fees, or like when you will be converting one currency to another, so there will be some charges. So make sure you consider that also, or you can directly deposit to your USD account. So guys, thank you so much for your precious time. It was lovely talking to you. My name is Kunal Kapoor. This was your host. I wish you a great day, successful trading ahead. And before winding up this session, I request you, please make sure you practice this strategy before taking it to your live account. Pushpak ji, happy to see that you make plus 44. Very nice. And one last thing, stay connected, stay safe, be in touch, and make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family. So every now and then, whenever we will be coming live, so you will be able to get in touch with us. So guys, thank you so much again. This was your host, financial expert Kunal Kapoor. Thank you so much. Stay learning, stay earning. Thank you so much. Take care. Cheers.